Orafo, mayimo wakwaba, emfa umra GCN page so, meeting ede adjoa searching. Mr. Subscribe to my channel. Found me a bell on so, obey a notification. Video be obenye bi ashe. Ora John Daku, or ye law lecturer, and our okase, nanisema okay na de say. Asasi su ha, lawyer be anywhere or ye good pa. Lawyer be anywhere, walk square was asasi su nebi. Na wo de wasem ebekwa akodan se onke bi maw na wasem no enye de uni proof na wo sanso any evidence bia na lawyer no ebetumi aboa anase lawyer no ebetumi enwi ni wo case ede amaw owie e na osanso e kire se wo de wasem ekodan lawyer bi se onke bi maw na se wa ma ni proof bia wa ma na evidence bia na se wasem no enye da lawyer na oka asem no anase lawyer na odi asem no kra no obre na ura dako e de ensem we etodwa e wa bra omoye no interview e wo neat efie me manso dwumade so na no e na o kire se he wo ye lawyer na wa ko school bia bi na so bi di na sem bro na sa asem no wan sheda ama mu details ana sa asem no enya de wo case no betumi enwini na titu kra lawyers no e na omo ebre because okokota asemben e na wogina so aka ede aboa ana se evidence ben kra e na wogina so aka ede aboa na no e na o chese ebi e na esi ende eye 2020 abatu aye toe eho ensensema eye omanpanyi dada John Dramani Mahama audi NDC amayoko no enim onya no hontiase ana se NDC party ni no omunyo mo hontiase se 2020 abatu na ye toe ne de keneke se omu no omu enwi ni because Ghana fo eto aba ede ema omu a anko amfa mo omu ehonsem abe bebro Ghana ha omde asem no ekokot na no e na owura dako e kire se ensem na NDC fo omde ekokot no emu eye rem kakra na de enti a ogina so e kasa pa eye sa NDC fo anase omanpani dada John Dramani Mahama ne 3 witness a omu ejinem e de adanse e de ama no first one okoy eye owura siedu ketia omu bisa no figures bia wantimi anka titupa eye owura rojo metal nkrata bi brand NDC fo etro ya so de nsa e hyase na ogina so edidi adanse no oyi bebrefi said that any don't to me just on because oni hu idea bia nti kakra bi e na osan ne no e na urada ko e kire se the NDC fo omo eye omo witness ekogina court box ni mo omo hu asem bi omo ka omo ni evidence bia chese bibie ni ho a prove say omo asem omo de court le se omo win na no e na urada ko e kire se so wo de wasem court na se wo ni proof wo ni evidence bia lawyer na odi asem no obre papa enti no political parties no mo fentu omo hofo na se ususu se ya to aba wo Ghana na sankoyi ama na wo de wasem court a se wo nya proof wo nya ngina so bi se na be ya lawyer na odi wasem ama no ono so ombre na yenti ensem a owurada ko de etudwa
media represent by lawyers no you are as good as your brief. If you're a lawyer, you are as good as your brief. Say asem no enya wo yokofa Yesu Kristo mo bi with me in differently. But yokofa lawyer can see o wi asi bi aba asem enya na enye. O hwe Donald Trump ono so ye na je o contest election result no. On the about 60 cases and the back and a call in his favor. It was because then the case name. I don't think so. Now because lawyers no and na any per se. It will be a say we case in ya my lawyers ebre and look be and I cost no. Me the medical can say lawyers no
Okay. Enti your expectation there me musaw ye nyina ye betwen ama eye court no yahwe de wo mo ebeye subsequently but so wo hwe legal teams ni mienu nyina omo posture when they come out of the courtroom ebeshia eye press no a would you have any comment on the conduct of such press briefing nana
me see say idea introduce you in this time pa efe na ise ukran. The only problem and say we a lawyer Emma in this particular case, either a petitioner or a respondent. No trainer or casta. And yeah, now the law is always mixed with politics. And you see, especially when interpretation, no one can in such a way say, as only your partner do is because they are not at this point doing law, they are doing politics. It means that the past, say, agree be a woman section, which section said the bear, yes, so a champion to me, a better yesterday. I mean, the mechanic say, that they should stick with the facts as happened in court. Now, Omo enjoy a group of make the politicization of the whole process. Because they want to be a politician, yeah. They will say, I didn't know because they're politics there, but we do not say we can start as a lawyer there. I'll say Embrano and outcome. It will be a court, no one will chili. Now, the question say, Penina. Now, quite say, court, I'm making it 50. No, we are saying, you leave the world confused. And to me, the message say, a true step of Mubekasa, and the idea of managing home fire very fantastic. They should stick to the decisions as were rendered by the court. Now, Umunyai, the commentary, Emma, as a political commentator. The political commentator, Kasa, was that they became one. You feel it differently. The lawyer, Kasawa, I expect that Obeka and Marano said he see our court.
Now, in your observation, who say be a legal team back on and moko the other legal team, Anna?
But who capture, I think that you're Gabi as a Roshada.
Yeah, you have said the Supreme Court case, you could, what you say, near my Dane Quanso. Pass here, a near my Dane Quanso. Now, here, young papa, I see you Katia, and they watch a Chinese Munoka Canin Semina. Politics, no, politics near Casatin. Young far Sebe, a good deal in politics. Was ye? Oh, young far a good deal in politics. Oh, one Takashi and Fanya politics. Kasa obe Kasano, right after election. Say, assembly ne drew court to them one. A different ball game. What does he? A different ball game. And I would check in Yamana already where ya to a baby. Niena NDC. Titafoni be ye. Sanka ye nyambo treka kra ewo Ghana. Ghana go kwa se bia Sierra Leone, ana ebia Liberia, ana any other war countries ibi. Ana ye to aba opposition no lusu ye no. Na onyi ntumu ana oye de de nkrofo ye de sei. Kento kwasi ye. For bibia to nchen se bia odopa be too much. For to nchen Ghana for ye tie ho ase. Se anibia ba ama Ghana say, when cares why ya Santini, when cares why ya Beni, when cares why ya Timini, when cares why ya Notna. Yenina ya tia once, ya waraware ya hum. Intermarital exercise, no, abua ama Ghana democracy, no, a develop ye. Ankanye. Cause 2020 general election e course one. Say ye cannot crepa near the name of one. Sankanyango pon a moi. Kanto kwa beti mesi Ghana. Se nyame amwa. Because say no. Same jambi se NDC awini. Ase dunkati ase NDC awini. Je emananka se mu se wawini na nyade a obepene ama obi ade adane namba. Na wo share supporters ni bi so eye campaign na bi ye dede ni to so bi a che se omo supporters na je atumi so mo wini. Mi amenyonko breboa. Wono so ye NDC ni no wono te se o se aman we de no nte sa Alhaji Bass o se no aman ya wini se ekokwaye o man foforo bi so a anka ne Ghana anka ye to nyum foforo enso esan botre so nkwa ye wo na ewie abaye se enko court aye ko gina Supreme Court no mi gini ye se 2024 Say okwa koto aba ananse 2024 se to aba wi a 2024 se to aba wi a na so be de bia you will think twice. Sa Ghana kokoye Liberia ana Sierra Leone anka bra ye to aba ni wi ye dede course won kan tokwa si Ghana nti eba sere se ye mpanimfo no men kabaya anka JM madin kirewo me hunu se ase ne nkwada na di di nachi na chidifo no leaders ni bi no oma disappoint no. Yes, oma disappoint no to the extent say papa yi na numu nyam sonko a wo our political arena na yama papa yi atima begina bonten say we win election ya chairman so wonka no begina bonten say we win election na sam kokodu court ni general secretary wose yebusa ne say yebusa onaba se dun katia say ono ani calculation obetimi aka percentage ko a eye ne party ni nyan wose da bi ontimi nka tie the key point na odi politics ya chi a wanfo wafu ani akire wanfo wakoma ankwanko di politics ya chi yusu wagene we yerkwa ne ya ka kirewo anya ntro ne yetwade akyerewo ye ka no kore ana di akyerewo because the idea is what you ase no so simple. Idea is what you ase so simple. General secretary of the party akwa kwagina court yebusa ne say in his own calculation or check here aya ne political party bra no mo ka so mo awini percentage be na mo base on how many chance so mo awini no. And yebusa say okay or check here in own calculation na do dan kwa Akufo-Addo abane ye to ye no say no gidi pass ono ye den enyan eno nso a general secretary ya papa se dun katia o say no enti we say ibusa o say ene ye die be enti na no man kwada ene akidifo no bia o madwen mu ha no mo ye dede monten so eye keka e die be enti na no mo pia o so mo nye dede enti we ema bibi ese bibi bu adwum say 2024 so the political party be here, whether MPP or NDC, you're very careful. You swagging it, men you swakuma. And quiet unnecessary campaign be wouldn't source, wouldn't be beating so. And then papa say don't get here. Or take court or take box in muno. Na utimu say ya to no. Kasa obekano we chile after election. And kasa obekano court, Supreme Court to them muno. Difference in this one. We are Ghana ni forget about political affiliation. Now call a spade a spade. We are Ghana ni and I am any pebinti asien. Sesi ya ni apam political ane dia show. I am no crana make catch say. We are Ghana ni forget about your political affiliation. Call a spade a spade. And penny for the leaders not that amo. Anya mi ampatan ko my Ghana. O my Ghana ananke ade kwa kwasi koso. Anke do my Ghana kwa kwasi koso. Kan to kwa betimi esi sa de ne koso after election after election December 7th. Ya to abani wiye no. A declaration ni ba abonten no. Se Nyankopon amwa ana bibi fo nso teacher afo nso yes o mo so beti esi monten so. Ana mo so yes o mo so be retaliate ya. Anka king can talk wakasi anka Ghana nke first time anke be experience war e Ghana 2020 general election because of false claims. Say general secretary of a party gina ho se omo win election communication director declare opposition party opposition leader